So if the battery of your Redmi Note 15 Pro only charges to 80%, here's how to fix that problem. Now, the reason you might be having that problem is because of battery protection settings. So go to settings and then go to battery and then go to battery protection, and you might have your setting set to your charging protection setting set to battery protection, which limits the charging to 80%, right? Now, you can fix that problem by either selecting intelligent charging, which charges to 80% until when your phone thinks you're about to plug it out of the charger, and then charges to 100% based on your patterns and behavior. Or you can set it to charge fully, which basically just charges your phone to 100% when you plug it in. But that's not very good for protecting your battery and preserving the health of your battery. So you can fix using intelligent charging instead of battery protection. Thanks for watching and good luck.